welcome back to Chasing Trophies. Hope everyone is doing well. आज मुंबई इंडियंस और गुजरात टाइटंस का मैच है अहमदाबाद में. गुजरात अभी तक हारा नहीं होम ग्राउंड पे अगेंस्ट मुंबई इंडियंस, लेकिन आज अलग मुंबई इंडियंस देखने को मिला. हम यही सवाल पूछ रहे थे, कहाँ है ये मुंबई इंडियंस. आज दिखा दिया. आज पूरे उनके बॉयज पंप थे, फ्रॉम द कैप्टन ऑल द वे टू जसप्रीत बुमराह, सूर्य कुमार यादव. जो यंगस्टर्स खेले उन लोग भी कंट्रीब्यूट करे. ओवरऑल मतलब नेक्स्ट लेवल वन साइडेड परफॉर्मेंस फ्रॉम द मुंबई इंडियंस. बैट के साथ तिलक वर्मा शतक लगाए, जबरदस्त इनिंग थी उनकी. एंड देन विद द बॉल जसप्रीत बुमराह पहले ओवर में विकेट लेते हैं. अश्विनी कुमार भाई स्टार था, बॉल के साथ 4 विकेट लिया. जबरदस्त कैचेस भी हुए, काफी अच्छे कंट्रीब्यूशंस हुए. एंड फर्स्ट दे आर बैक मुंबई इंडियंस.
यस भाई, आई थिंक ये कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्टर वाली विक्ट्री थी. दिस वाज मेक और ब्रेक. ये हार दे तो सीजन ओवर था. आई थिंक दे वोंट हैव रिकवर्ड फ्रॉम दिस वन. बट आई डोंट नो फॉर सम रीजन आप मैं दोनों भी एमआई को बैक करे ये वाले गेम में, बिकॉज वी फेल्ट लाइक नोइंग व्हाट दिस टीम पोजेसेस इन टर्म्स ऑफ कैलिबर एंड क्वालिटी. कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा लग रहा था कि रिडेम्पशन आर्क आएगा. एंड अगर ये नहीं होता तो मेरे हिसाब से बहुत मुश्किल होता था. अभी भी मुश्किल हो सकता है, डोंट गेट मी रॉन्ग, बट आई फील लाइक this will give them a very big confidence booster. 101 and 45. Tilak Verma scoring his fastest 100 for MI, and also I think joined with Sanat Joshi maybe the fastest for Mumbai Indians. But irrespective of that fact, जिस आप बोले comeback हो गया 10 from 7, तो yeah, that looks like they're going on uphill battle right now.
Yeah, and अगर आप देखिए हार्दिक पांड्या बहुत वोकल था आज जब बैटिंग कर रहा था तिलक वर्मा के साथ. हार्दिक खुद का बल्ला नहीं चल रहा था, तो आई फाउंड दैट कंफ्यूजिंग, लेकिन वो उसको पंप अप कर रहा था एंड ही वाज मोर हिमसेल्फ. नॉर्मली हार्दिक पांड्या कभी हंस लेता, कभी ये हो जाता वो जाता, बट जो भी इमोशंस आ रहे थे, वेदर इट वाज स्माइलिंग और जब गुस्सा था गुस्सा, या जब इमोशन निकाल रहा था, ही लुक मच मोर कंफर्टेबल. एंड तिलक आल्सो भाई आउटस्टैंडिंग. वो जो उन्हें आप देखो ऑफ साइड पे, लेग साइड पे, ही वाज टू गुड टुडे.
बहुत अच्छे भाई. लाइक हार्दिक पांड्या के ऊपर जैसा आप बोले, लाइक ही वाज बीइंग हिमसेल्फ. ही वाज नॉट लुकिंग टू बी स्टडीड और लाइक टोल्ड एनीथिंग. लाइक सूर्या बात करके नहीं आ रहा था, या रोहित शर्मा अगर होते, कोई भी 4 कैप्टन आके जुड़ जा रहे पाए. ही जस्ट टेकिंग ओन कॉल्स एंड ओन डिसीजंस. लुक मोर कंपोज. हाँ, बैट के साथ में भी कैट हैव डन बेटर फर्स्ट ओवर ऑफ हिज स्पेल. Maybe wicket निकाल लिया था, तो that gave them immense confidence, and he kept pumping up his players. He kept pumping up Ashwini, and everyone kept responding to him. And that's what made it more good for him. For Tilak Verma, again, ये player बहुत ज़्यादा अलग level का है. We keep complimenting him every time he's down. Somehow he finds a way to win your hearts again. वर्ल्ड कप में भी आप देखो, एक टाइम पे 3rd नंबर पे या 4th नंबर पे आ रहे थे, नहीं चल रहा था, थोड़ा डाउन द ऑर्डर गए, फिर वो जबरदस्त इनिंग्स खेल रहे थे उन्होंने. तो totally an amazing player. And what he did today again, initially फिर वो फंस रहे थे, but that's something about this player. Lots of players in the IPL, they have the ability to make up the lost balls, run rate and or strike rate rather. So that's what Tilak Verma did today. 22 of 19 थे, 19 of 22 थे, and the rest 40 odd balls जो भी थे, the 25 to 30 balls being made, the rest 18.
Yeah. I'm not going to talk about Surya Kumar Yadav today because it was a positive day for the Mumbai Indians. We will discuss it later on. I think it is a talking point.
Yeah.
But we'll just look at the positives. Ashwini also with the ball today. बहुत जबरदस्त bowling करा. A lot of people were calling for him. He brings you that left arm angle, and he did a fantastic job, man. Another 4-4 for him.
बहुत अच्छी लेंथ भाई, बहुत अच्छा reading of the game. Very close to the body रख रहे थे, not giving too much weight, not bowling it so in the slot. बहुत अच्छा लेंथ, बहुत सही रखे थे उन्होंने पूरा टाइम पे. Making the batsman in two minds कि भाई मैं आगे अटैक करूं या पीछे रुक के खेलूं. So he was not able to understand. The batsmen were not able to understand. Similarly, Chris Bhagat also very straight line, towards the body. Nothing width नहीं देना, या हम देखते wide out. Nothing fancy. बहुत simple, बहुत प्यारा bowling करें. And again, this show like domestic खेलना इंडिया में pitches समझना बहुत important होता है. And I think Chris Bhagat and Ashwini are prime examples. So Naman's catch as well. The way
he very nice
leg boundary, I think square leg boundary, बहुत ही अच्छी timed jump. So a lot of positives. Yes, like Masawai said, it's a positive day, but there's still a few loose ends that they need to connect Mumbai Indians to get to that level of what they want, where they want to be. But it's a start, and I think this start is important.
They played youngsters also. Krish also played, yes. And they had Danish as well. Yes. Obviously, Danish didn't get the start that he would require, but it's good to see that youngsters को भी मौका दे रहे हैं, and they're backing them. And when we saw hard calls, we thought maybe they're thinking about Surya, Bumrah stuff, but hard calls probably meant for Trent Bolt. Sorry, not Trent Bolt, for Rickelton. Did Bolt play? Even Bolt, right? Yeah, Trent Bolt.
They went with 3 spinners.
Yeah, so Trent Bolt, Rickelton, and Deepak Chahar were the hard calls. I think that's what it looked like, and it paid off for them. अगर नहीं, some people were saying at the beginning of the game कि भाई give up कर दिया क्या मुंबई इंडियन, बच्चों को खिला रहे हैं, उनके स्टार प्लेयर्स नहीं खिला रहे, but they just mixed it up to see what they can do. And I think Krish also played really well. उसका जो 2 overs जो भी डाला अच्छा डाला, कैच भी ले लिया उन्हें. So it's good. Their scouting system is always good. Now, as they keep gaining momentum, you'll see that confidence in this team.
Yeah, 100% tough call because given the fact ये गेम हारते खत्म हो जाता तो सीजन से लगता था कि भाई यहाँ से देखो, बट इसमें बॉल्स ही मूव टू ड्रॉप द लाइक्स ऑफ बोल्ट, रिकल्टन and Deepak Chahar, who are experienced players for inexperienced lot. But fair call, man. Hardik Pandya and the coach and the captain, they had a long chat what he said in the toss regarding what do we want to do, how do we want to play as a team, what's our thought process, regroup, reassess, and they came back together and it shows. For the Gujarat Titans, again, उसका top 3 नहीं चले, वहाँ पे बिखर के बॉल के साथ भी they let it slip a bit towards the second half of the first inning.
Yeah, they got the ideal start. Rabada और अशोक शर्मा मतलब 150 पे दाग रहे थे भाई, 150 की स्पीड से, मजाक नहीं था. They were spitting fire and it looked like Gujarat were on top of this game, and उन लोग ही टॉस जीत के बॉलिंग करे, तो it looked like they were going to win this game. They were in control of the match. वो जबरदस्त बॉलिंग करे भाई, प्रॉपर फास्ट बॉलिंग. सूर्या का जो बॉल था दिखाई नहीं उसको. 150 पे रबाडा भी डाला, इन्हें भी डाला, बट टुवर्ड्स द लास्ट 3 overs आपके, आई थिंक अशोक का, he's going to learn, man. He's a youngster. He tried to mix it up, also didn't work. Ashok ka tha, and I think Siraj was not too bad, and then the Prasidh Krishna, that over. Those 2 overs, Prasidh Krishna and Ashok, was very expensive, and wahan pe pura match palat gaya. Tilak, you have to give credit to him as well, but he picked the right bowlers, and it's not like he got frustrated just hitting 2 boundaries of Siraj. He took that as a positive. Okay, I got 2 boundaries, I'm still going to get close to 200. We saw in the KKR game also, Gujarat started to slide, and that was 180 against a weaker bowling lineup. So in my mind, there was always Mumbai, if they get cross 180, they can put Gujarat under pressure. I didn't know that they'll get folded for 100. That's a different thing. But yes, Gujarat का यही problem है, अगर top 3 नहीं चलते, फिर मसला है. Shahrukh Khan, भाई, he's wearing out his chances. He's getting a lot of chances. Tivatia is also fading. Sunrisers Hyderabad, but we've gotten, I don't think we've gotten an answer, but just maybe it's not working for him.
Lean patch right now.
It's a lean patch for him. They can try Jason Holder आगे जाके, लेकिन middle order उनका बिल्कुल नहीं चल रहा भाई, and that is a big problem for the Gujarat Titans. I still feel they have a good bowling attack. Just the last 3 overs, man.
Yeah, 100%. Bowling attack, maybe, like you said, an off day towards the end. Warna, before that, they were on fire, right? Surya सबको वापस भेज दिए थे. हार्दिक भी struggle कर रहे थे. But with the other options like you mentioned, man, Holder है, कुमार कुशागरा के बारे में काफी लोग बात करते हैं. अनुज रावत भी है उनके पास, a few, Arshad Khan, like, they have a few options that can still bat. But Tivatia, Shahrukh Khan, Washington Sundar, these guys are making life difficult along with Phillips. But yeah, I think Shubman Gill again. Still, it's not that bad right now for Gujarat. They can still make something happen. But वही है कि top 3 चलना बहुत जरूरी है, वरना आपके लिए बहुत मुश्किल है. बुमराह से पिक यहाँ पे officially his first wicket.
Yeah, first wicket. I mean, sigh relief उन्हें एकदम साथ देखो confidence आ गया. उन्हें 1 wicket लिया, ऐसा देखा मतलब एक burden खत्म हो गया. And although he didn't, it was Ashwini who was the star bowler. लेकिन I think. Yes, sorry, you were saying.
ये बोल रहा कि अभी first 5 matches lost करे and they keep qualifying fourth.
Yeah, that's why I don't want them to win, man. Like they keep coming in, वो तो उनके साथ, and उनके पास वो team quality है. One thing that I will shout out is their auctions have always been amazing. No matter whatever we question the other things, but they because they pick players also like we have not heard of that much. Ashwini, we haven't heard much of him. We haven't heard much of Danish. I know he had a good Syed Mustaq Ali, but or Vijay Hazare, sorry, but still like they do have good scouting. Tilak Verma is also a great scout of this. अब वो इंडियन प्लेयर बनाते, but he's been with Mumbai Indians before he played for India.
Even Allah Ghalan for last season ला लिए थे.
Yeah, very good signing, man. And Allah Ghalan, it takes him time. He's from Afghanistan. He's a young guy. It's going to take him time, and they're getting into rhythm. They're looking like a dangerous team. Let's see, man. Watch out for Mumbai Indians. I think they're going to go on a 4 or 5 win unbeaten streak, maybe. If not, next game, maybe the game after that. I hope that they lose to Sunrisers, so maybe not a 5-game winning streak. But I think in the next 7 games, I won't be surprised if they win 5. Like, I won't be surprised with that.
Given their heritage.
Yeah, but that pretty much wraps it up. Today's also a massive game. Sunrisers Hyderabad versus Delhi Capitals. So stay tuned. We'll have different types of content coming on our YouTube channel and all the socials. We really appreciate everyone's help, and hit the like button, subscribe button, and catch you guys later in the day. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.